You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French word. It's used in ballet dancing, in English especially. French pronunciation without an accent at the end is échappe, but normally it has an accent at the end, especially if you're talking about a ballet term. Échappe is the French pronunciation. In English, échappe, échappe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.